Hi, I'm Carl with Abt, and this is the ProMaster Specialist Carbon Fiber Tripod Model SP532CK, available at Abt or online at Abt.com. Current pricing is going to be available at the links in the description below. The included SPH45P ball head is machined from high-grade aluminum and comes with an Arca Swiss compatible quick-release plate. The movement is extremely smooth and the knobs are all very easy to turn and can even be used with gloves on. Within the tension knob, you'll find a memory lock that can be used to set a repeatable tension when you're moving a camera on the ball head. This tripod kit with the included ball head has a maximum working height of 84.5 inches with the column up or 70.25 with it down. The minimum working height is 7.25 inches and it has a folded length of 24.5 inches. The maximum load capacity is 26 pounds and the whole tripod with ball head weighs 5 pounds 7.5 ounces. The 5-section carbon fiber legs are simple to adjust using ProMaster's dovetail quick release system, and the red hardware makes everything easy to see even in low light. The retractable spiked feet allow the ability to use this tripod almost anywhere. As always, we appreciate you checking out our video, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates whenever we upload new content.